online suggested me usar Mallorca to improve my Spanish. I thought that it would be like any of the multiple language academies out there, but then I made up my mind due to the high amount of connections there are between Germany and Mallorca. I had never been in Mallorca before, even though it's the most famous destination for German tourists. Eleusal Mallorca is located quite close to Plaza España, which allows you to visit all the important places in Palma without the need for any vehicle. From the beginning, I felt really comfortable, not only with my classmates, but with the teacher, very professional. The methodology used is a participative one where they make you use Spanish from the beginning. At the end of my 2-week stay, my teacher suggested that I take online lessons with Eleusal to continue my learning and keep improving on my Spanish. Truth be told, I am happy I took the suggestion, as in Germany, it is quite difficult to practice the language with a native user. And Antonio, who was my teacher, not only teaches me Spanish, he also keeps me updated on what is going on in Mallorca and in Spain. I am looking forward to having some more free time to go back to Mallorca and not only enjoy the beautiful island, but keep improving on my Spanish, a really useful language.